This is a product called TransTape, and you can look at their website at transtape.life. TransTape is an alternative for people who wish to conceal the female contour of the chest, but you have to be pretty conscientious to use this product. The nipples are first protected by a nipple cover, and then the breasts are taped in various positions to conceal their contour. The wearer will cut this tape in their own custom size for their individual size. There are a variety of widths of tape and colors available, and if you go onto transtape.life, you will find detailed video instructions on how to use this product. Now, here are some pictures of individuals who are using TransTape. Don't worry, all of these people have been consented in terms of using their photos, but you can see that this really applies compression and concealment over the chest, and it's a very helpful product. I love this next photo because it shows a variety of individuals using TransTape, but notice the different body sizes and shapes and different gender presentations. But look at this is a very happy profile of people who are doing well. Here's some more information on TransTape. The company has a strong emphasis on skincare and skincare products. TransTape can be used for 5 days straight, night and day. You can shower with it on, you can swim with it on, you can wear it to bed. It does not constrict the chest, so it can be easily used by people who might have a lung condition like asthma or other condition that makes it difficult to breathe with a binder in place. And TransTape makes products for packing and for tucking for people who are trying to transition female. The basic information on both binding and taping are these points. First of all, both of these are bad and good. The bad part is that they're a temporary solution. The good part is that they're a temporary solution. So depending on what you need, they can both be excellent products. You observe proper skincare routines for both binding and for taping. Please don't use a product if it's painful for you. For heaven's sakes, don't use a product if you can't breathe. Breathing is non-negotiable. Find an alternative. And don't use any product that is not designed to compress the chest. Remember, TransTape is not duct tape. Do not use duct tape to tape the breasts into a position that would be more comfortable for the wearer. There's a lot of information available on the internet, so please go on to the sites that I've mentioned here. If this video has been helpful to you, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Please share this video and the information with others who may need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.